What is up, everyone? We've got another video here, and I'm going to show you how to launch your boat like a pro here. A lot of people mess this up. I pull my hair out all the time seeing people launching their boat and they don't know what they're doing, so here we go. Now, just like a typical boat ramp, you kind of pull up to it. What I like to do is do the biggest U-turn I can. It just makes it real easy on your tandem axle trailer and your tires and everything, and just makes it a little bit more simple so you're not kinking your trailer in case something happens, in case you have to like back up. But you can see I'm pulling up about 10-12 feet to make sure my trailer is in line with the truck, and that makes it super easy to just back up. If you don't know how to back up with a trailer, check out this video. Now what I'm doing right now is looking at the edge of the ramp, or if you have a nice painted line like what I'm doing, I'm just looking outside the driver's mirror and just following that trail all the way down to the edge of the water. Once I get closer to the water, I stick my head out and I look back at the trailer, and that helps me just do all of my fine-tuned adjustments because I want to get that trailer nice and straight for the boat driver to be able to pull out smoothly and safely. A good indicator when to stop is right when the fender is submerged underneath the water. Now my boat ramp is not very steep, so I roll back another 6 inches. It'll depend on how steep your boat ramp is, but typically that is a good indicator. And I roll back just a little bit. You can see the back tires of my truck are just touching the water. There's no need to go very much further because you don't need to submerge any main parts of your truck. You can see that the boat is moving perfectly fine, and we're going to go ahead and start it up and take it off the trailer. There you go, it's that easy. All you want to do is make sure you're nice and straight and back up, and then when you get closer, just look out of the window and you'll be good to go. Thank you for watching.